Would you just excuse me a moment? For the first show, it seems very busy.
Of Crinkly Bottom. It's so nice to see you.
I thought I recognised you.
Is there anything I can do? Do you want any flower shows judged or maybe supermarkets or speeches written or something like that? What do you think?
Do you open things?
Oh, I do. I open things. I would go to the opening of a milk carton.
Would you?
Well, and I bring the family along sometimes.
Would you?
It's a really good price, you know?
Yes, well, how handy, because I actually have here a high-tech unit that I'd very much like you to open, so that would be absolutely marvellous. We need a dignitary, someone who's able to give you a certain presence.
Oh, that's me. Shall I do it now?
Yes, please. The speech and ribbon.
Well, ready now, yes?
Yes.
By the powers vested in me by the people, the good people of Crinkly Bottom, I declare this... Sorry, what is it?
Gunge tank.
I declare this Gunge tank well and truly open.
Lovely. When one's been full of the old civic stuff, it's a good idea to take the weight off your feet there, because... I didn't have you as a chucker-upper. Look at that. How dare you? Take the mayoress away immediately. Turn it into a bag.